Hey guys, today I'm going to make some corned beef and cabbage in the Instant Pot. So let's apply the pressure. I have about a 3-pound corned beef brisket here. This is 3.14 pounds, and this is the point cut. So I've got some little gold potatoes, carrots, cabbage, and so let me get this stuff prepped and we'll get it into the pot. This has a lot of fat on the back side, so I cut it into 3 pieces, and I'm just trying to trim some of this excess fat off here now. Alright, let's get everything into the pot. I've trimmed most of the fat off the corned beef, and some people will probably say I ruined it, but that's the way I like it, so that's how I'm doing it. Okay, this is a 28 ounce bag of potatoes. They look pretty clean, so I'm just going to dump that whole bag of potatoes in there. And comes with one of those seasoning packets. I don't like those, so I'm not going to use that. This is 4 carrots, and I left them big because I don't want them to turn into mush, even though they might anyway. Okay, I'm going to cover this with water. So this is 4 cups of water. Alright, that looks about right. And let's see, I'm going to dump in some onion powder. I guess we'll call that maybe a tablespoon or so. And then a little bit of black pepper. And I'm not going to add any salt because corned beef is very salty already. So now we'll just get the lid on there. I did this once before and I can't remember how long I cooked it for, but I'm thinking it was around 30 minutes, and then I let the pressure release naturally. So I'm going to turn the keep warm off and start that, and I'll time it. I'll set the timer on my phone. It seems like it took probably about an hour and a half before the pressure released naturally, so we'll see. And the cabbage is going in at the end because it'll just turn to mush if I put it in right now. It's been an hour and 32 minutes and the pressure still hasn't released, so I just hit the valve. I'm letting it release manually so I can get the cabbage in there. There was still a lot of pressure to release in that. Let's see how it looks. Looks pretty good. Now I'm just going to put the cabbage right on the top. It'll all fit in here. And let's see. Okay. And I bought this glass lid, so I'm just going to put that on there and turn the pot to saute. I just got this glass lid, and it's really neat for stuff like this because you can see right through it. My cabbage looks like it's about done, so I'm going to turn this off and just let it sit for a few minutes, and then we'll try it out. I pulled the cabbage out of there. I'm curious to see how the meat turned out. It's all down in the bottom, so I can't see it here. Wow, that looks pretty good. Well, it looks like this turned out pretty good. The meat is really tender. The cabbage is cooked just the way I like it. It was in there maybe 15 or 20 minutes. The potatoes look good. The carrots might be a little bit mushy, but not too bad, I don't think. Anyway, let's try a bite of the meat here. That turned out real good. It's tender, has good flavor. Well, here's the true test. We have to see what Annie thinks. Did you inhale that? I guess it passed the test. So that worked out real good. 30 minutes on the pressure cook setting, and then I released the pressure after it was in the pot for an hour and a half, and then I turned it to saute, high on saute. Threw in the cabbage, put the lid on, let the cabbage cook for about 15 or 20 minutes. So the total cooking time was about 2 hours. I've done it just like that in the slow cooker, but it takes all day. So that definitely saves some time. I'll write everything in the description, and thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time.